My video is about financial analysis. I will tell you what is it, what types, and what role of it, and some additional information about this topic. My video will consist from such information. First, I will tell about financial analysis and explain what is it. Then we will show you types of financial analysis. Then we will make an overview and what are the parts of it. And in addition, we will tell about the role of financial analysis in economics. Evaluation of a business in order to determine its profitability, liability, strengths, and future earnings potential. It involves using financial data to assess a company's performance and make recommendations about how it can improve going forward. Financial analysts primarily carry out their work in Excel using a spreadsheet to analyze historical data and make predictions of how they think the company will perform in future. This guide will cover the most common types of financial analysis performed by professionals. Now we will talk about types of financial analysis. The first common type is vertical. This type of financial analysis involves looking at various components of the income statement and dividing them by revenue to express them as a percentage. For this exercise to be most effective, the result should be benchmarked against other companies in the same industry to see how well the company is performing. Another type is horizontal analysis. Horizontal analysis involves taking several years of financial data and comparing them to each other to determine a growth rate. This will help an analyst determine if a company is growing or declining and identify important trends. The next one is leverage analysis. Leverage ratios are one of the most common methods analysts use to evaluate company performance. A single financial metric like total debt may not be that insightful on its own. So it's helpful to compare it to companies' total equity to get a full picture of the capital structure. The result is the debt equity ratio. The next is growth rates, analyzing historical growth rates and projecting future ones. Another type of financial analysis is profitability analysis. Profitability is a type of income statement analysis where an analyst assesses how attractive the economics of a business are. The next one is liquidity analysis. This type of financial analysis that focuses on the balance sheet, particularly a company's ability to meet short-term obligations, those due in less than a year. One other is efficiency analysis. Efficiency ratios are an essential part of any robust financial analysis. How well a company manages its assets and uses them to generate revenue and cash flow. Cash flow analysis, it says about a finance. Cash is king, and thus a big emphasis is placed on a company's ability to generate cash flow. Analysts across a wide range of finance careers spend a great deal of time looking at cash flow profiles. Analysis. At the end of the day, investors, lenders, and finance professionals in general are focused on what type of risk-adjusted rate of return they can earn on their money. As such, assessing rates of return on investment, named ROI, is critical in the industry. Valuation analysis. It shows the value of business can be assessed in many different ways. Analysts need to use a combination of methods to arrive at a responsible estimation. Another one type is scenario and sensitivity analysis. It's a component of financial modeling, and valuation is performing scenario and sensitivity analysis as a way of measuring risks. And the last one method is variance analysis. It's the process of comparing actual results to a budget or forecast. It's very important part of internal planning and budgeting process at an operation of the company, particularly for professions working in the accounting and finance departments. On this slide, we can see what financial analysts do. They are gathering the data, organize information, analyze results, make forecasts, develop recommendations, build Excel models, make presentations, and generate reports. Now let's talk about the role of financial analysis. It evaluates economic trends, set financial policy, build long-term plans for a business, and identify projects for companies for investment. I hope you liked my presentation, and thanks for your attention and being with me.